Liverpool continued their preseason tour of Asia with an intense training session in Chiba, Japan. As they gear up to face Yokohama F Marinos, the team focused on tactical drills, ball control, and team coordination. Under the watchful eye of new manager Arne Slot, players like Salah and Robertson were seen sharpening their fitness and game readiness. The training included a variety of drills, from passing exercises to corner kick routines, aimed at refining match sharpness ahead of the friendly fixture. This session follows Liverpool's 4-2 loss to AC Milan in Hong Kong, a result that adds urgency to their preparation before the new season begins. One key absence was Diaz, who has reportedly left Japan for a medical check in Germany, fueling speculation about a move to Bayern Munich. While the squad adapts to potential changes, the focus remains on consistency and cohesion as the Premier League opener against Bournemouth approaches. As the Reds continue their build-up, fans around the world are keeping a close watch, hoping the team finds rhythm and form ahead of the competitive season.
Great ball! Yes! Every ball was in the blue zone. Yes, ball! Timing, get used to it! Great ball! Finish it! Yeah, good, headshot! Okay, grab a drink, guys. Oh, Martin.